and welcome to From the Roots Up, where we are building our homestead from the roots up. I'm Makayla, and today we are going to be making zucchini muffins. We will list the exact recipe down below so you can follow along and make it yourself. Let's get started. So before we get started, make sure you preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. And I just did that because I forgot to do it a minute ago. Anyways, now we can get started. What we're gonna do first is put the cupcake wrappers inside of our little tin. And this recipe, one batch is 12 muffins. So I have 12 little cupcake wrappers, and these are really cute. We got them for my birthday one year. They're little flowers, so those are really cute. And we had exactly 12 of them. The other kind that I was going to use, those pink and shiny, we only had 11 of, so I'm using these. I love baking, so whenever I get the chance to bake, I'm like, I'm going to do it. All right, so we have it all cupcake wrapped up. The next step is shredding your zucchini. All you gotta do is cut the ends off. Well, cut the end with the stem off. You can cut the other end off, and then you just want to shred it like if you were shredding a block of cheese on a cheese grater thing. So we're gonna move these aside, and we're gonna get our medium mixing bowl and our flour. So the recipe wants 4 cups of flour. You might not have enough in here. Ooh. So this is 1. And we have just enough for the number 3. Flour. Okay. So we're gonna add the baking soda. So, that was easy to take off. I had to loosen it before we started because I'm horrible at opening these canisters. They're hard like. Baking soda is 2 teaspoons. Uno teaspoon. I don't know very much of Spanish. Uno, dos. All right, how much do we need salt? Half a teaspoon? I don't know, look at the numbers. I mean, I can tell a quarter and half, but nothing else. Okay, 1. Okay, just one of those. So next is cinnamon. Got these fancy little jars. Very fancy. I like it. All right, so how much cinnamon? 3 teaspoons. Okay, that's 1 teaspoon. I'm spilling powder everywhere. Whoa! Oh no. 2. I think one time I did zucchini muffins for Best of Week. I think. I don't really know. Make sure. Don't you think I did it once? Yeah. Whenever I started, the first year I started, they started giving away fancy little trivets. And it's just a little story. There's 3, I think. And this was the first one I ever won. And I got all 3 of them. And then last year, I actually had the chance to go to the state fair and I won 3rd place. So that was super fun. So I'm just gonna whisk this really good and set it aside and go to the next step. And that should be good. Getting the powder off there. You can just set this to the side. Now in our large bowl, the wet ingredients. All right, first thing we add is oil. Heavy oil. Okay. A whole cup. Okay. Lot of vegetable oil. Look at that. The oven's preheated, and it's gonna sing us a song. Sing song. One cup of oil. I forgot to crack the eggs in here. Olives. They splashed on my face almost. Olives. Two olives. And now I'm gonna wash my hands. Alright, so we need a half a cup of sugar. See how much vanilla we need. 1 tablespoon. We need a tablespoon of vanilla. If I can open it. Okay, so it's mixed up real good. And now it wants us to add our shredded zucchini. Okay, that's 2 cups of zucchini. Woo! So that splashed out on me. Stir it real good. Mix it in with the liquid ingredients and sugar. It's smelling really good right now. I kind of want to eat it. Slowly add flour mixture. It's getting very thick. And I'm switching arms because I've been stirring with my right arm for a very long time. Okay. So the next step, we're going to add it into our little cupcake. Next, we're going to add it into our little cup thingy. Cupcake muffin molder thing. About 1 spoon of this will fit in a cup. I'm just gonna, so you don't want to fill it all the way up or else it'll be really tall and puffy. So now it's time to put them in the oven. It says bake muffins for 25 to 30 minutes. I'm gonna start with 25 because we don't want to burn them. And then we're gonna check them, and if they are not ready, we'll put them in for the rest of the 5 minutes. We just pulled them out of the oven. 25 minutes was not long enough. We ended up doing 30 minutes, and now we're gonna check and make sure they are done. That is good. So they're done. Throw that toothpick away. And they are ready to eat. They're nice little wrappers, little zucchini muffins. And they're really delicious. I was hesitant to try them when I first made them because I had no clue what they were. And it was a green veggie, and I was little. And I always thought, ew, green veggies are gross. But I really liked it a lot, so. Zucchini muffins are very yummy and fun.
All right, let's try one.
Let's try one. Okay, I'm gonna get it out of the wrapper. Or I'll just peel the wrapper down real quick. I bet they're delicious. Thank you for joining us on From the Roots Up, where we are building our homestead from the roots up. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more content.